Since the plant has had plenty of recovery time now, it is time to make a second topping. So, watch as we top both of these brand new growths. Welcome back, Grow Family! Today we are doing another video on our increasing yield series with part 2 of topping. If you have been following since the beginning, this plant has been currently, from seed, been alive for 6 weeks. I'd say not so bad for 6 weeks. Now, if you go back to part 1, you can learn exactly what topping is and how we top the girl in the first place. As you can see, she has recovered extremely well. Good growth from the shoot that we originally cut. Let's see if I can get a good shot of it. Right in there. Yeah, so from all that rose these 2 beautiful heads. With all methods of manipulating the plant, I like to give it at least a good 2 weeks before I attempt another method. Or if I'm going to do the same technique, such as 2 toppings, I'll wait 2 weeks before I do another topping. You can already tell where 2 heads would be, or 2 bud sites. And if I remove these 2 heads, you can see where 2 more are waiting on either side. Always use clean, disinfected scissors as well. You don't want to spread terrible diseases to your plant, which can happen if you're not careful. So, we're gonna go about right here. Just gonna remove this entire top layer so we can focus on these 2 heads in the back. Same with right here. Boom, boom, you can see it's equal levels. And using your scissors, just carefully and at an angle, find your place you want to cut without removing the extra stem. Snip it away. Good look at the cut. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So this is what it looks like when you've done one of them. Clearly tell which side I've done. It is easy as that. You can see our cut marks on both parts, the new growth sites, which will lead to 4 heads. Now with this, give it a couple days to see some more growth, as it needs time from the stress it just went through. But within 24 to 48 hours, you will see incredible new growth. And that is really all for today's topping video. We kind of discussed mostly what we wanted to discuss about topping in our first video, so if you didn't see that, go check it out. This is SB Live Soil. Stay tuned for more updates and make sure you subscribe, as well as check below for links for 10 free seeds from I Love Growing Marijuana. I have a link. You could go spend some money and get a bunch of free seeds. So great genetics. I've been growing their things for quite some time and I absolutely love it. Highly recommended. Chaba, 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 chaba.